Hey everyone, my name is Mike Judkins. I'm the co-founder of EstateSales.org, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about our websites for estate sale companies. First off, I'm not going to lie, there are a lot of solutions out there for building websites. There's several of them. Just off the top of my head, I can probably name a dozen, like Weebly.com, Wix.com, Homestead, GoDaddy, WordPress, Squarespace. Even our competitors, which are EstateSales.net and EstateSale.com, offer websites for estate sale companies. The ones that I just mentioned before those are general purpose website building tools. So the first thing I want to say is, by the end of this video, I hope you'll agree with me that the EstateSales.org website product is hands down the best tool for estate sale companies to fully integrate their online marketing. And I'm going to be explaining to you exactly why that is. The first reason why our product is hands down better than any of those other solutions is that it saves you a ton of time because it's integrated with your EstateSales.org account. You don't have to post your sales on your own website and our website, and you don't have to continually update your website because essentially we take care of that for you. And so that's the number one reason, is saving time. Now, you might think that EstateSales.net and EstateSale.com offer a similar solution, and that's true. But I'm going to show you why our solution is actually better than theirs, because of just that it looks better, it works better, as well as it's better for search engine optimization. So let me just go in, and the best way for me to show you this is just to take you on a full tour of this entire thing. So the first thing I want to show you, this is the view you get when you first log in to your EstateSales.org account. And what you see here is your sales, and in this demo account, I have 3 sales that I've not published yet, as well as 6 previous sales that I've just the fictional company that I have for demo purposes. And for this demo, I have set myself up on a website called demoestatesaleco.com, and this theme is just one of our several themes that we have. We can create a custom theme for you with your logo, colors, everything like that. This is just a demo that just is one of our themes. So this is a theme I've chosen for my site. You can have your own domain name, of course, so custom domain name. And it's linked to my account. So the first thing is, I'm going to just quickly publish this sale so that you can see that it's how it works. First of all, let's go to the sales page. Now you see here it's listing all my past sales, which is kind of nice if you don't have a sale coming up. So when people go to your website, you don't have a sale, it still looks like you're active, and people can kind of look and see what you've done before. So when you're trying to get more clients, they're like, they don't get turned off by that there's no sales on your site. But there's no upcoming sales, so let's change that. Let's go back to EstateSales.org, our account, and I've already kind of taken this all the way through, so we wouldn't spend much time to do this. But let's just publish the sale, and that'll take 1 second. And now when we go to our website and refresh, notice that the sale has shown up on our site. And we can click that. We can see the dates, times, the address. I've hidden it until the day before. All the photos are there. There's a nice photo gallery slideshow, and everything is integrated. So that's the sales, and of course we also have this on the home page. That's the sales. The other things that I wanted to show you that come out of the box on websites are an email subscription form. So when you're an estate sale company, you know that it's key to gather email subscribers. That's how you notify everyone that's gone to any of your past sales when you have a new sale coming up. All of your followers are gonna want to get an email from you. So we integrate that, we bake it into your website as an email subscription management tool. So that's the other thing. You don't need any third-party email tool like Constant Contact or MailChimp or Campaign Monitor or anything like that where you're paying $20, $30 a month for that service. We actually have that built into your EstateSales.org account and in your website. It's fully integrated. So what I want to show you on that end is back here in our EstateSales.org dashboard. Notice that we have 2 email subscribers, and of course, this is a demo company. So normally you'd have you could import all your existing subscribers. You'd have hundreds or if not thousands of them. But just for demo purposes, I wanted to show you guys that just someone that coming to your website can sign up for your email extremely easily. And that's the phone number is optional. So we'll just hit subscribe. That's been done. Now, if you come back here to your EstateSales.org dashboard, you can see that now Joe Blow here that I just filled out is in your email list. So you can actually, he's on your email list. He can edit his preferences. There's a link in all the emails he receives to edit or unsubscribe or whatnot. And whenever you then send out or whenever you publish a sale, on the very end, when there's the options, when you select the day of the week you want to go out to your email list and hit publish sale, that goes out to Joe Blow and all the other hundreds or thousands of people that have signed up on your website to get those notifications. And that's fully integrated with your EstateSales.org subscriber list. So that is a super, super powerful feature that we're excited to offer. The other thing that is a nice feature is a contact form. So here what I mean is like you can type in a name on the website. I'm going to fill out my phone number. Just put in my details. We'll hit submit, and this fires off an email to you. You just go check your email, and that's going to be in your email box. So that's a super powerful feature as well, totally built in. Now, how do you manage the content of your website? That's a really great question. So here in our account, there's a Manage Website tab, and when we first talk to you when we set up your website, we're going to ask you what are all the pages you want on your website. What do you want those to be called? What do you want on them? And you're going to have access to all those pages over here on the left. And we can easily add more pages, custom pages with titles, everything like that's not a big deal. And you can edit that content through this form. So just an example, this is the home page, and let's just put in some stuff here, like change content here, and we'll hit save. Takes a second, and when you come back here, notice that the change content has appeared. So you can change this anytime you want, and through your EstateSales.org account, and it's instant. You don't have to call your webmaster or anything. You just go in here and change it. The other cool thing you can do on these pages is you can upload an image. So here, maybe I want to add some stuff that I'm selling for consignment or something like that. That's not a sale, but I just want an image. Maybe I want my picture on there or something. Maybe I want to sell this awesome treadmill. So let's just add that image, save it, go to that was the About Us page, and see here that the treadmill is on here now. Sales, like we already went over that. That's just your sale page. Maybe we don't want to show all these past sales. Well, that's easy to fix. You just come on in here through your dashboard and go to previous sales. And let's clear out some of these ones without the the image. That doesn't look good with no images. So let's just clear those out. Let's just get rid of those. And we'll come back here and notice there's a couple of them without the image that we cleared out. Let's just hit refresh. And they are gone. So you have full control over what shows up under your past sales as well. You could even delete all of them if you wanted. What else? Oh, we also have testimonials that are fully integrated with the website product. These are testimonials that you enter. So basically, these are also on your company profile page, by the way. So when you go on EstateSales.org, so when you go to your EstateSales.org profile page, these customer testimonials also show up on your website. So, and they're editable through your account dashboard. So if just to demo that, what I wanted to show you is just go to My Testimonials, and we'll just add another one. So this is a testimonial from website demo. And let's just do Joe Blow and save. Okay, so now that's on. Should be both on our profile page on EstateSales.org. Let's just click there to make sure. There it is, and it's going to reflect as well on the website. So that's another really cool thing. The other thing I want to point out is that your website is integrated with your Facebook business page if you have one and if you've chosen to link it. So that really helps to integrate. By integrating Facebook, you get more followers on Facebook, and whenever you post a sale on Facebook, your followers get notified through Facebook, and they can there's just another channel for people to find out about your sales. So here I've integrated with Facebook, and since I've done that, you see this like box here on the website. The contact information is baked in onto your site, so we do that. And it's fully search engine optimized as well. So we get a lot of questions, is it search engine optimized? Yes, it is. In fact, I think we're probably the best search engine optimized product out of any product out there, including our competitors. And the reason for that is we really pay attention to all the little things like the sale. This is how a search engine, by the way, sees your website. It looks at the source code. If you notice here, the actual sales are in the source code. The sale content is in the source code. And if you look here on the home page, for example, we have all of the meta description and everything like that, with this tagline here. It's keyword rich, and also our websites, they don't unlike some of our competitors' websites, which use iframes or JavaScript to render the content within your website. The content on our websites are fully on your website, and at no time does someone ever have to leave your website to view your sale. On some of our competitors' websites, that's not the case. So basically, you have a little script tag or an iframe in there, and your sales are brought over into there, but when someone clicks on the link, it gets taken over to a completely different website, and the whole experience is, in my opinion, disrupted. And you're also not getting any credit for that with Google or Bing or anything like that, as far as search engine optimization goes. So, in my opinion, our websites are the best in terms of search engine optimization. The other thing that we do is we mobile optimize every single website thing we do. So what I mean by that is I'm going to shrink this down so you can see what I mean. Now the content for the site is shrinking. You see how that adjusts to the page width. And so it looks great on mobile phones, iPads, everything like that. Unlike, a lot of our competitors or the other website products out there where you bring it up on a mobile phone and it looks just minuscule and you can't read anything or see anything. And there's, significant amounts of people now on these devices, up to 40% and based on our statistics. So it's very important that your website be mobile optimized. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I can't think of anything at the moment. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to email me. I'm at Mike, M-I-K-E, at EstateSales.org. And we can discuss setting up a website for your estate sale company. I guarantee that you're going to be happy with it. It's going to save you a ton of time, a ton of money, and it's going to result in a lot of compliments and visitors to your estate sales. Thanks for watching.